So cats and cat smells. It's a couple of the little foster kittens I'm currently fostering at the moment. We've got Sage and the other one I call Wobbles because unfortunately she's got a bad little leg. And here's one of my own cats, Alice. So this is just a quick video really about cats and cat smells and how I manage them. At certain times I have a lot of foster cats. I had 6 foster cats about a month ago, along with my own 3, so 9 cats in the house. And sometimes I've got a lot of cat toilets, but dealing with cat smells has been is a lot of work. So ways that I have come to battle this, and I found some amazing solutions through trial and error. The GTech K9 Hoover is a godsend. I love this Hoover. It is a godsend. It obviously it's cordless. You can whip that round. That picks up the cat fur like nobody's business. Absolutely brilliant, this Hoover. I would not want to be without the GTech. Use that. I can't even tell you how many times. I use that a lot of times in a day. So the next problem I had though was basically that when I first got my cat Freddy, the boy, he'd not long been neutered, and the thing with him not long being neutered was that he kept spraying up the walls, spraying in different places in the house, and that was quite a issue to deal with. So I bought this Vax. It's actually a spot cleaner. It's not an actual full carpet cleaner. It only lasts, you know, here's where you put your solution and your warm water. You can't do a full carpet with it. You can just do like a fair size, maybe like that sort of rug size patch. So I bought this when it was on sale. I believe it was about £90, and it does work brilliant. It works really well. So cat's sick and I was using it if the cat weed on the floor or whatever. I was using it straight after the incident had happened, as soon as I could. But I was noticing that, especially underneath that rug, for instance, one of my older cats decided they were going to do a wee. Couldn't get rid of the smell. And then the other issue I had was, like I say, the boy, he'd sprayed in this corner by the front door. Could not get rid of it. No matter what you did, as soon as you came out here, I'd washed it with the carpet cleaner, I think about 3 times. Could not get rid of it. Every time you came out here, you opened this door or you just moved that little curtain, you could smell. The smell just came back of cat wee. Which is where I finally found a solution. We go back into where there's more space and it doesn't echo so much. Finally found a solution which, after watching some videos from other people, was recommended the enzyme cleaners. And quite honestly, how I never knew or tried these before, it is a miracle cleaner. I've used this twice. Well, I used it once in the hall, and to be honest with you, this probably did the job in the first time. I used this on that patch that I could never get rid of the smell in the corner of the hall, and it would have worked just once. I have double treated it just to make sure it is fully gone. Not a single sign of the smell anymore. You can go out there, open the door, whatever. You don't get any signs of cat wee smell. So there was a couple to choose from. I went with this one, the Naturally Gone Pet Odor and Stain Remover. This is the let's get that in there, made in Britain. This is a enzyme cleaner, so it's got the enzyme bacteria that eat up the dirt and the wee particles. So I've used this half the bottle maybe. I'll leave a link down below if you want to help support the channel. I'll leave a link to this on Amazon, where I got it from. And Literally, you don't even have to, it's not like shampooing a carpet. You're literally just going to spray this all over the area. So if the cat's weed, soak up the excess you can with tissue or sponge, whatever. Soak up as much of the excess, just soaking it up. Don't put anything on it. Just soak up the excess, and then what you do is you literally come in with this and you're going to pretty much soak the area with this enzyme cleaner. So just spray it all over, make sure you've really covered the area with the enzyme cleaner, and there's plenty of it there, and then you don't even have to clean it back up. The enzyme cleaner you just leave to do its work. The bacteria will break down dirt, grime and smells, and then it will just leave. There's two different smells. This is the Sweet Angel one, and I think the other one was I can't remember what the other one was. There's another one. There is another one, like a naturally green one. So yeah, you just spray this on, soak the area, and then leave it, and then it gets the bacteria and the enzymes break down the smell, and it doesn't come back. And so far, this has been a godsend, because I like to try and keep my house clean and tidy, which obviously when you've got lots of cats in the house isn't always possible. There is, as you can see, cat things everywhere, but it's their house. I enjoy having the cats. I love having them running around, but to keep your house clean and tidy, give this enzyme a cleaner, or it doesn't have to be this one, but this one I certainly can rate and approve. Give that a try, and I think you'll be impressed with how well it gets rid of long-standing smells. So just a quick video for you there. Give enzyme cleaners a try. They are well worth it. If you've got cats, pets, or just any sort of smell that you can't get rid of, enzyme cleaners are great at breaking it down. Thanks for watching.